Improve your photography in just 30 days. Challenge number 2. Challenge number 2 is architectural photography. Well, does that mean that you have to go take pictures of bridges? No. That's just one example of architecture or the design of something that's human built. What you need to do is not necessarily find a humongous building in your town or area or find this iconic building. No, go find something that you like the look of it, the design, because really that's what architecture is. It's not the building of something, it's the design of something. Now, it may not even be the entire building. It could just be one aspect to it. It could be an addition to something. Well, what if you don't have anything outstanding? Well, that's the point. As a photographer, you're taking something that's ordinary and making it extraordinary. Go in your backyard. Maybe you have a shed or a gazebo or a pergola or a tent of some kind, and look at how it is constructed, how it is designed to be constructed, and look at it from a different point of view. Maybe you have to get down low or maybe get up high. Like in this case right here with my bridge, normally I'm going the other direction on this bridge. But what did I do? I pulled over, got out, walked across the way, and took the picture from a totally different vantage point. One that is normally not seen by drivers as they drive along that bridge. So do that. Develop your photographic eye. We look forward to seeing you on challenge number 3. And thanks for visiting us. Remember, tag us with any photos that you have that you'd like to share with us with the Phototropics 30 tag. Look forward to seeing you again soon.